Hi, I'm Agent Young, and I'm in the lab today to show you how to transfer a SIM card. Here's what you'll need: your phone, the new SIM card, and a SIM card tray removal tool. I'll be walking you through the process on a Samsung Galaxy A50 with the Verizon service plan. Depending on which model or carrier you have, the steps might be a little different. Before we get started, you should know that most phones are locked to a certain carrier and will only accept that provider's SIM cards. And every now and then, some phones won't work on a certain carrier at all. So, if you want to use a SIM card from a different carrier, make sure it's compatible first. If you have a case on your phone, go ahead and remove it. Find the hole for the SIM tray. On mine, it's right here. Now, insert the SIM card tray removal tool into the hole and press down gently until the tray pops out. Here's a tip. Look at the positioning of your current SIM card inside the tray. You'll use that same position when inserting your new SIM card. Go ahead and remove it. Now, take your new SIM card and place it inside the tray, making sure that it aligns with the little notch, just like the old one did. Then, just slide the tray back in, being careful not to let the card fall out. If you have any difficulty getting the tray back in, it's likely because you put in the SIM card the wrong way. It will only work properly if it's in the right position. Once you have the tray back in place, turn on your phone. This might take a few minutes. Watch the status bar to make sure the service bars and service indicator come back. Looks like mine is all set. If the service bars and indicator don't come back, take the tray back out using the tray removal tool and make sure the SIM card is installed correctly. That's likely the issue. However, if you get a pop-up message saying you don't have service, contact your carrier to make sure your account and service are active. I hope this video was helpful. If you thought it was, give it a like. If you have questions, ask us in the comments. And be sure to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips from Best Buy. See ya.